Okay, sorry about that. Had to take a phone call, but we still opening up this bag. And you can see. Nice little dust cover. Oh, that was upside down, huh? And it's in more plastic. So excited for this bag. Excuse my little boy, my child, my man child, my dog. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am loving it. Now, how did we get it open? You tell people don't have that nice, they don't know how to work. Lift the flap up. Lift that up. Oh my goodness. There's a little button right there that you push in. There is the strap. I forgot. This is the multicolored strap. Let me show you that. The green and red. The buckles. Okay. I see the Gucci right there. So back inside the purse, it says Gucci. The little pocket in the front. This bag is amazing. I love this bag. It's the strap. Okay, so I wasn't gonna open somebody's stuff, but this is how they pack the stuff while it's in a box. They pack everything in the biggest bag. My little purse would not fit in the bag, so it was boxed up by itself. Well, it was in the on top of this bag. So I have to. Sorry, it's not mine. I don't want to see it, but we're gonna open this anyway and package it back up real nicely for her. Oh my goodness. And guess what? It's stuffed with stuff. Yes, stuffed with stuff. So it does not have what? The crease that you get from some other website. I'm not going to say the name. But oh my goodness. I think she is going to love it. Oops, sorry about that. I know my video, I don't think the quality is that good, but that's okay. I think she's going to love it. So, got little straps. Look at these little straps. They come with this little yellow tag. Okay. Let's see what's in here. This is a scarf. Not mine either, but you might as well since we're here, right? Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna unfold it. Can you see that? Can you see that? Let me see. Let me open this one up. Gonna make it worse? I think that made it worse. But yes. Maybe it's good. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay. And Gucci. Another little Gucci box. I'm telling you, when they pack this stuff, this is mine. Because I needed to go with my belt. I don't know why. I don't know where I'm wearing it to, but I was in love with this B. This belt is amazing. I don't know if you can see that, but it says Gucci. Has all the serial numbers. It comes with another little bag, little string, I guess, little, what is this? Nothing. But, oh, my last one didn't come with a receipt. A receipt. Oh, or maybe that's for the ear. Oh no, that's the belt. Okay. Another card. I'm gonna see what was in the little Gucci box, don't you? Okay. Oh, it comes with this little thing. I guess you're supposed to like put holes in the belt, adjust the holes. Little Gucci box. Oh, these are so cute. I thought they were gonna be bigger. I'm so glad they're not, because I was like, this is going to be so gaudy, but these are so cute. They're still a little gaudy, but how can you say no? So it matches the belt and the purse. My little earrings. Yes. Don't know where I'm wearing them to, but I'm gonna find somewhere to wear them to. And of course, they came with the little bag to put the earrings in. It say Gucci. It's the inside of the box. If you want to give it as a gift, whatever, but they're mine. Let me put this stuff back in the box. Oh yeah. One earring was in one bag and one is in another bag inside of this one to keep them separate and keep them safe. I love this seller. Okay, so what else is in the bag? Can you tell we love some Gucci over here? So, yes, I am showing. Here's another Gucci belt. This one's not mine, but it is so cute. Again, it says the Gucci and a serial number, all that good stuff in there. But something else in here is mine. Oh, come with the ribbon and of course another dust bag for the belt. So, in the Gucci box was my little box. Ooh, oh well. I've been looking for a keychain, so I found one with a little bag. You know, got the standard card and all that good stuff in there. I'm not gonna go on that. Y'all seen that a million times. But when I saw this, I just had to have it. How cute is that? It's a little keychain. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Louis Vuitton on there. This is the back. And it is so cute. And I love little owls. And that, oh my goodness. Makes me want to get another one with a different color stone just so I can switch it up. For what? Who knows? But, y'all, this keychain is amazing. I love it. And let me show you the inside of this purse. It got the Louis Vuitton. I'm not going to bend it up too much. This is hers at the bottom. Yes. Yes. All right. Thanks for joining me. I'm not selling these. These are not for sale. I don't know the whole whatever. But message me if you need some information.